So, yan, 100. Kumulo na yung ating tubig. Gagawin natin, ihahagis natin to sa labas. Tingnan natin kung magpipreeze. Kung magiging yellow ba. Ayan. Dadalhin natin sa labas, guys. And then, tingnan natin kung magpipreeze. So, good morning. Yun, susubukan natin maghagis ng tubig in the air. Kung magpipreeze ba. Going to try. Ayan ang ating water. So hot.
How cold it is? Minus 27.
Today is minus 27. We will see if it will freeze sa 27 na kalamig.
You can change.
I tried this there.
You can do it there.
It's okay, yeah.
Wait lang. Konti more there. Okay. Ready?
1, 2, 3. Still some liquid. Still some liquid. It's not at all.
But like on the video once I did it, some liquid then.
Some liquid then. It's not really at all. What a place to eat, right? It's nice. Ah. What?
Oh, it's still filming?
What? I have another baby. Thank you.
Then camera.
I have some baby surprise.
Ay, wait lang.
Some facts.
Some facts.
Some fries. Just like their nanay, remove the fries.
Because somebody did stick it on eye. It's okay. Sige.
So cute. Some baby bags. Bye, sweetie.
Okay, I love you.
Love you. Ingat.
Okay.
Bye.
I'll go now. You can go inside and don't sell too long. You can just check, but check at the conejo. Don't open the door. Maybe just check to the sides. Because if you open it, then the cold will go out. The cold
You
will
put
go
the
inside.
heating? The heater in the rabbit?
I didn't put some heater for the conejo.
Okay.
Okay, anyway,
Okay, you can go now. I love you. I feel cold. Bye. Bye. It's really cold. It's good. Bye. It's gone. Yan. So, yung ating... What? Balik na natin sa loob. We're going inside na.